What's up, Marco fam? Today we're making another video, part 22, and today we're gonna play 5 games. We're gonna play 5 games. You need to remember that. So let's play my favorite game. Let's not search it. Guys, I have a mic here that turn it off. You can't hear me if I turn it off. Then if I turn it on, you can hear me. Let's play this. This killing game is sometimes boring, but it's very fun to play with. Remember to play with it because it's just cute kitties. Cute kitties. Yeah, cute kitties. I want to be a white cat. It's very cute. Yeah, my name is Roxy, not Alexa anymore. So, I don't know why my name is Alexa. Even though my name is Roxy. Roxy. My name is Roxy, only 4 letters. Wait, why is there 4 here even though Roxy is 4 letters too? Let's go. Aww. So guys, let's play this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't really know how to play that game. Aww. She's white too. Wait, 7 what? I have 4 and she has 7? What? Wait, maybe this is ours because it's color white. Then let's go up. Let's go up. This is someone's different bathroom. This one is for the color pink. I think I can be color pink. Oh, babies are cute. A little bit cute. No, of course no. I kind of want to be this cat. It's kind of cute. So cute. Oh my gosh, guys. It's very cute. Guys, I didn't know that some cats are baby cute. They are baby cute. They are a cute baby. But there are some cats that are not like some other ones. I want to be a kitten. So cute. Wait, maybe this is the boys' room. Yeah, it is the boys' room. Wait, they added a new one. They never have this. Wait, so let's change to this brown. Oh, it looks like poop. It really looks like poop, guys. Kind of want a free. I never have a chunky. Let's be white again. Aw, so cute. Let's dance. Hey. Wee! I'm gonna reach out for purple. Let's go out here. There's a pool. So what if we just jump in there? Oh yeah, I forgot there's a slide. Whoa. Help me. So guys, my paws are so cute. Ah! Who splashed me? That's me! It's built. Aww. Oh, that's me again! That's me again. That's me again. Oh, they're building me so cute. So I'm gonna tell you if we're gonna play the next game that I like the most. So no one doesn't wanna feed me. So let me just drink this. So yummy. Yummy. You just that yummy. Let's go. Hey, I'm spinning. It's forcing me to the right place, but I want to stay here. This is the part that I hate. You're just gonna scratch it. Let's go up. There's a party here, but I don't know why. I forgot why is there a party. I used to play this game, but now I don't. It's a long time now. Oh my god. Oh, that cat is so cute. Open. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love that. It's kind of cute. It's cute for people only. Let's turn to a people. Let's wear this. Oh, you can only wear it when you are a cat. No. Tap this, then this. Oh, you wear so cute. At least I have a necklace. I wonder what's this. I think it's rare. Rarity. Oh. I don't have this. I don't even have paws. White, black, huh? Whoa. Is this even blue? It looks like gray. Let's hide it now. Oh, hi. Let's go. Let's go at the deep water. Wahoo! Wait, I forgot to change my dolphin. Let's go change my dolphin. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Sit. Hey, yo, why does it sit like that? Sit like that. Oh, they delete the one. No. Oh. Come on, go, myself. So I kind of want to stay. I want to stay here. No, wait for me. I want to stay here. Hey, yo, I'm not the next then. Woohoo! This game's so fun. Guys, can you just wait for me? I'm just gonna pee. Sorry if it takes so long.
Kasama nila yan eh. Ito yung anak ni Odi. Ako eh. Parang iitimbak na ngayon kasi medyo mapula pa o. Alam mo kung tinaas daw ang leeg, ang itim.
Itim si Cody, may itim din ako eh. Medyo maitim. Kakulay ko lang si Cody.
Ang itim, yung parang yung black talaga. Kayo brown pa kayo eh. Yung black. Mukha.
Hindi mo maputi si Cody.
Hindi na. Kasi mukha. Ako magpupi sa kanila si Kim. Tignan, may niyaya. Niyaya. Itim. Sabi nila. Itim. Itim. Hindi pwede na yun. Mukhang pango, no? Mukhang inom ni Tita Lane, pango. Nakadapa, ayaw.
Paano natangos ko di? Ba't pala sumami si Kim sa kaya Alisa?
Kaya lang, kung mga kasama mo sa bahay, passport, sila lang may code ang meron. Hindi yung nilibre. Yung sariling pinulong sa sila.
Ipon yun. Daggan lang na may ipon
Hindi
yun.
ka rin daw meron sa mga.
Ay!
Nasaan ka?
Hindi yan magpapauwi sa akin.
Dati naman nagpapalingaw ko sa kanya.
Ate. Ay ka na, ugasa kita.
Malaki na kasi siya.
Ako na. Dita mo na. Dita mo na, papalawin kita. Dita mo. Hindi ka akagabo.
Bakit nga ito dali?
Hindi utang. Utang ina mo. Ano hindi sasabihin parang sirao.
Yung meal subsidy nyo, meron yun. Rider kayo, meron ka ba? May pinilapan tayo, di ba? Dapat meron. Dahil hindi, dahil yung last yun. Ha? Wala.
Ang mga kayat yun.
Ito yun. Pabalik ko to dito.
Kakain pa yan?
Balik ko na lang.
Kakain pa pa yan.
Makakain. Makakain pa yan. Kasi marami pa yung food ko.
Babad mo mamaya. Hindi mo sa amin. Kita mo, kita mo. Ako na magugas. Ako na. Ako na. Tingin! Tingin ko may phone! Tingin yan, tingin.
So sorry guys about that noise. I was so noisy because I poop. Guys, don't mind about that word. Sorry because I was AFK. Sorry because I was AFK because I poopy. So guys, let's play the next game. Bye bye. Let's go play the next game. This is my favorite. I never played this game yet, but it's so fun. It's literally so fun in the beginning. Yeah, we never played this. So let's play this game. Yeah. Purple is not winning. No. Purple is not winning. Purple is not gonna win. The timer's gonna run out. Maybe. Why am I team purple? I'm not team red. This time I'm gonna be team red. Because team red is more faster. Let's go back to base. They are already eating. They're a big bag. Hey, yo, they're a big bag eating just there. So this time we're going with rainbow. There's rainbow here. Rainbow. So guys, I think we're not gonna win. Look at the timer. Faster, eat, guys. Nah, we're not gonna win. So let's just keep on getting food. So guys, some of you know about this game.
Ay, pusang.
So let's choose red if they're gonna choose red. If they choose different colors, I will choose that. I hope I choose red. Because other players will pick red. Red, 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 red. Come on, red. You're gonna be finished. Yay! We got red finish. Come on, red. Let's go grind. Let's go grind, red. Other people's are already. They literally got the food that I need. Red literally take the food that I really need. Red is taking everything. So I don't know who's gonna first us. No one would ever first us. Force us to eat that. Let's go. Let's go. No one even. Okay. Okay, good job. Good job. Okay, okay. Okay, these guys are thought they're a big back. But they're actually gonna lose. Purple, you are gonna lose. Purple, look at these numbers that we're getting. Okay, red has another one. Go red. Go red. Go red. Yes. Come on, put the foods. Put the foods down. Yep. Yay. Haha, purple. We have a lot of food than you. This team will win. This team will win. This team will win, of course. No, they have more than us. Come on, let's grind. Guys, I don't even know why purple is kind of gonna win. But purple is gonna lose. Purple is a big bag, but I like the color purple, but I just choose red because I know red is It's cool. Okay, red, just wait. I'm back. Here you go, red. Yay, red is gonna win.
Naguguhusan ko.
Yay. We are really gonna win then, purple. Purple's my favorite color. But
But,
my really favorite is color red. My very favorite color is red. It's red. Oh no, purple. Reach. Oh, not red. Gotta go fast. Come on, eat. Let's eat. Hey, yo, where's yellow going? Yellow is so unfair. This girl thought he's red. Why is bro trying to eat our food? Girl, you can't grind with this food.
ano muna, manood ka na lang muna.
Ano?
Eh, tsaka ako napapanood mo. Pero, bigyan mo lang.
Wow, girl, you're a big back. So I think purple. Wait, where did yellow go? Where does Sigma did yellow go? Yellow disappeared. Yellow suddenly disappeared. Oh, red went. Yay! Hey! Go dance, everyone! Go dance, everyone! Go dance, everyone! Go dance me! Go dance! So, guys, let's play our next game. I think you would hate this game because it's a bit boring. Not yet. Not yet.
Oo, tara, andun pa.
Okay. Let's put Brookhaven. I think someone keeps on chatting that can you do Brookhaven please? Can you do Brookhaven please? But here, part 2 of Brookhaven. Because I don't want to play it sometimes. So now we have joined it. Let's just wait. Oh my gosh. Yay. So guys, let's go to my real avatar. Oh, never mind. Let's go. Hey.
Matuyo.
Oh. Okay. Wait, what time?
Mantika.
Okay. Is this a celebration? Okay. Where should we go? Let's make a house. You guys. What house should I pick? Whoa. So much options. I kind of since I'm only one, I kind of do this house. I remember this house, guys. Remember when I went remember when I go to someone's house? So let's barricade everything. Let's close the window. Why did I open the garage? Close that. So let's check if the garage is really close. So guys, we already barricade everything, and I don't know where's the room. This is the flower. So now let's put on our pajamas. This is my room. Let's put on my pajamas. Let's pick up. What's this? Let's go change back. Let's change back. Yeah. Let's go change to my pajama. Let's remove our hat. I don't want this hat. Let's remove that. No. Remove. Hey, I remove it. Trying to remove it.
Hindi masyadong okay kasi ang bote ng mga baon namin. Ngayon, kasi nga, nagtitipid kasi sila. Ba't ako sa inyo? Binahin niyo na rin ako. Water therapy.
I kind of want to wear this. But okay, it's not my time. I kind of want to wear cute stuffs. So let's wear cute stuffs. Wait, what if we become a baby? Let's become a baby. Wait, how to be small again? How to be small again? Oh. Wait, what's this? Oops. Huh? What? What's this? And then let's change to like a cute kid, so someone would adopt us. Cute. There.
Thank you very much, sir. Uy, dalawa ko kunin ko ah. Sige, okay lang. Marami naman yan eh. Sa akin. Uy, himala ah. Ang hindi na ipagagawa na. Hindi kumain ako kanina. Apat na yung nakain ko. Sabi lang eh. Bilis mo ah. Akala ko nagda-diet ka. May dala lang ka pang water therapy at dalawang campaigns yung kakainin mo. Ang totoo niyan, gutom na gutom talaga ako, no? Di ba nagtitipid nga ako? Napakamahal na yung bilhin.
Let's change to this.
Sabi nga sa balita dahil sa inflation.
Ang inflation, pwede positive, pwede negative. Kung sa inflation, ang tinitignan yung isang baskets of goods, no?
Huh?
So, itong baskets
Huh?
of goods, dito tinitignan
What
yung
happened?
ang halagang bagay sa pangulain. Dito sa ating calculation ng inflation natin.
It's kind of hard.
Makulit.
And it's 60% other costs.
This one can move. Huh? Don't remove. Okay, so just don't mind about that. Let's go to this. That's so cute. Huh? It doesn't allow me. Yay! Finally.
Kaya sir, para hindi na lang po ako magtipid, pwede mo bang bumili kayo ng herbal tea na tinitinda ko?
Bruh. So dumb. I don't want to wear anymore. Let's be naked, guys. Let's be naked.
Sakto lang naman. Pero pag malaki yung benta, nakakabayad.
Let's put cute. My iPad just fell.
Bakit kaya hindi lang tayo magtinda dito sa office? Di ba? Yung parang tayong iba-iba ang mga tinda natin, tapos client sale. Ano ka ba, Vincent? Eh, di ba ginawa na nga natin dati yan? Ano nangyari, di ba dinaga tayo dito sa office? Hindi natin pwedeng gawin yung mapapagalitan tayo ni Sir, mo. Eh, hindi naman natin nasisikreto. Magpapaalam tayo kay Sir. Papayag kaya siya. Akong pangalan. Walang makausap ay sasabihin lang po kami sa akin. Ano yun? Si Mara po magsasabi. makikita. Sana po, naisip namin magtinda rin po kami dito sa office. Pero don't worry sir, hindi na po maulit yung papasukin tayo ng mga daga dahil sa mga binenta pagkain.
Tama.
Opo.
Sir, saan mo po nakikita ng kulay mo? Kasi ilang araw na rin po ako talaga na hindi kumakain ng maayos. Grabe, yung facial ko po, tsaka po yung tayo ng sale ko na twice a month po ginagawa.
Isang beses po tayo kayo.
Kawawa naman ako sa'yo. Sige, tama na. Alam niyo, una, natutuwa ako dahil nagpaalam
So guys, I forgot that we're actually gonna play 5 games.
sino ba naman ako para
And
piliin kayo na kumita na kayo.
we joined at Brookhaven, so it's our 3rd game.
Sino tayo na magtinda? Makakapagtinda rin ako. Ano pa naman nagtitinda mo, hotdog na.
Ah, I'm naked.
Corn dog.
This one. Oh, so cute. Let's go to this. Kind of want this. Oh, I'll save this.
Mga kliyente ba ito mga?
Hindi po sir.
Di ba ito nakita ng family day?
Actually, mga customer po natin sila.
Customer. Tawag mo. Sasabihin na.
Sige po, bye-bye. Balik ka sa kasas.
Tama na yan. Ano to ba? Ang daming tao dito. Nandito yung mga customer.
Ay, hindi po ba sir, ang sabi niyo sa amin, pwede naman kami magtinda. At saka di ba po sir, basta hindi nakakaabala sa trabaho. Kaya ito, dito na namin ginagawa yung mga meetups para hindi na kami lalabas. Okay po ba?
Teka, hindi okay. Pang 3 weeks na opisina to eh. Dapat kayo nagpapakit ng mga customer dito. Magkaka-meet-up kayo. Dapat dun sa babae hindi dito sa taas. Vincent. Ay, Vincent. Tingnan nga dito. Kanina pa kinakausap ng mga to. Nandiyan dyan, hindi ka nakikinig. Selfie ka pa ng selfie dyan. Tsaka ano yung tsura mo? Ito, ganyan suot mo.
Ay, hindi po sir. Ito post ko po kasi yung aking selfie sa Facebook para po mapatunayan ko na hindi po ako post ever. At saka ito po suot ko, sir. High beast po ito. Ito yung mga tinda ko eh. O, sir. High na high ba?
Hide ka. Pamira ka naman. Opisina to, office hours. Pag yung tsura mo, dapat nakasuot ka ng pang-opisina pa rin.
Opo, nakapang-office po ako.
Office. Baka kung ano, basang-basa ka ng pawis ngayon. Sa baba na lang. Vince, bigyan lang ka itong dynamite mo. Sandalan mo. Isang daan na sa... Ang mahal naman yan. Mahal yung sili na yun eh. Masarap na tingnan mo. Sige, babayaran mo, kainin mo. Ang bibigyan natin pila na.
Hi, TV. Hindi ba CS? Ay, naku, wala po itong deliver ng cake. Eh, bakit po? Eh, meron kasi pinapabigay si Mama. Tungkol daw yan sa Hong Mars Association. Pakibigay na sa kanila. Sige po. Thank you.
So guys,
Tsaka pala,
I think let's go to the shop. Sorry when I was AFK because I didn't know I was still making a video. It's sneaky.
salamat po.
I didn't know sneaky sneak. Time to play.
Ano po nga? May kailangan po ba kayo?
They didn't left anything open.
Bilin din sana
So let's
ni
just go
Mama
play
na
here.
lalagyan ni Sony mo. Ay, huwag po kayo mag-alala. Pagdating natin, ipapadala ko agad sa inyo.
Let's keep on playing.
Yun ang may laman. Damihan nyo. Wala pa rin ako.
Now let's not play anymore. So let's go with my bike.
Kukulit eh.
Ano nangyari dito? Ang ginawa niyo pala dito opisina? Eh, sir, di ba kayo kung nasabi dito kami sa baba magtinda? Tsaka break time naman po kayo, sir. Oo nga, pero sinabi ko yung pero hindi ganito, hindi tama to. Alam niyo, pawin niyo naman ang customer niyo, iligpit niyo yung mga gamit niyo, ha? Ayun na! Ang bihira kayo, ang ganda-ganda ng intensyon ko kung bakit pumayag ako magtinda kayo eh. Pero ang ginawa niyo, inabuso niyo naman. Bakit ganun ginawa niyong palengke ito opisina ko? Sir, sorry.
Pasensya na po. Sorry kung pati ako nakasali na yun.
Patawarin mo ako. Hindi, ikaw, hindi ka na kailangan sorry. Oo, manhid na ako sa mga kasalanan mo eh. Alam nyo, alam ko naman kung saan
We're
nagaling
here.
pero kung anong pinanggalingan nung pangyayari ko.
favorite.
Alam ko, kinakapos kayo, alam ko, mataas ang mga bilihin ngayon, pero naisip ko na ano gagawin.
Sir, tatanggalin niyo na po ba kami? Sir, sino na po?
Kailangan ko na ito. Teka lang, oy! Bakit mo sinabi sisisandihin ko kayo eh?
Ano pong gagawin niyo sa amin?
Eh, increase mo na ang sweldo niyo. Oy, kayong dalawa, huwag kayo malungkot. Pati kayo tataasan ko sahod. Ay, ganun-ganun ka, hindi ka may empleyado dito. Eh, sure. Mas marami akong mapuntahan niyo.
Guys, can I be AFK because kind of getting bored of talking, so is it okay I can talk a few minutes later?
Ma'am, tayo. Ay, actually, luto mo. Wala ka? Ay, ma'am, hindi pa po luto eh. Ano? Kanina pa yun na.
Kaya pinakaluto.
Eh, isang kilo ni Paul. Sabi ko, yung kalahati, ihalabos niya. Kalahati naman gawin niyang okoy. Mahirap ba yun? Ma'am, mahirap mo yun. Hindi ka hirap nun. Eh, ma'am, gawin niyo po. Pasensya ko nga natin. Tapos yung batawan ko, ihahalabos ko. Wala naman po gagawin ko okoy. Pinututol mo? Bakit mo pinututol? Eh, hindi ba sabi niyo po yung kalahati?
Guys, sorry about the TV. That's very noisy because my mom and my dad is watching. So we're here at the I think airport. So let's get our bag. Airplane bag.
Kasi hindi mo pinapaliwanag ng maayos. Ano muna?
My suitcase.
Magiging okay pag
Okay,
may okoy.
I can go in now. Put this inside. Let's go. Let's go in. Whoa. Guys, have you ever seen this place before? Oh, it's a waiter. Where's the breaking news in this time? I want to watch that. Whoa. There's even a bathroom here. Are we even moving? Let's try. Huh?
Teka, pare, aalis ako bukas masaya suot ko.
Sir, habang suot niyo po, baunan po kayo para hindi nalata.
Huwag mo mabuhat. Ganyan ka sa bahay.
Let's watch our tablet.
Ay, Maria.
Sir, kailan ka nasa opisina kayo?
Hindi, may umuwi ako maaga at may inaantay akong delivery. Dapat kanina pa dumating yun, pero wala pa hanggang ngayon.
Last name mo.
May kailangan ako gawin sa taas. Baka
Oh, I
pwedeng-
forgot I have a phone. That's my mom's tablet.
Huwag mong isisigaw ha. Huwag mong itatawag sa akin ha. Basta iabot mo lang sa akin, tahimik lang ha.
Okay po, okay po.
Naintindihan, nakuha mo ha. Ano gagawin mo?
Apo,
Ano gagawin mo?
iabot ko po sa inyo ng tahimik.
Oo, tahimik lang.
Ay, bigla po.
Oo.
Tapos, hindi ko po isisigaw.
Wag. Ha?
Apo, apo.
Dapat ako lang makarinig ha.
Apo, sige
Abot
po.
mo lang ha.
Apo, sir.
O, sige, dali.
Ano yan?
Ha?
Ano yan?
Wala.
Ano nga na?
Wala. Ano lang yan? Delivery.
Anong delivery?
Laro.
Ano? Ano?
Laruan.
Laruan na naman?
It's shaking. So guys, let's play a different game. It reached 4 now. It's almost gonna be 5.
Na ano?
And it's almost gonna be 10 o'clock. I kinda wanna play my stickers. My board game. I don't know.
Margo! Ano ka na, oh? Oras na.
Ay ko, toothbrush na.
Ano?
Uy!
Dito ka ng dito.
Hindi ka tatayo. Ah,
I'm talking with David.
mamaya na yan. Mag-toothbrush ka na muna.
Not yet.
Natin na ito.
Hindi na. Hindi na.
Paluin kita.
Ay, hindi ka nakatayo.
Lasong mabuti yan.
Ito muna. Bumaba ako muna.
Kasi hindi naman ganyan pag-ugat. Patayin mo yung tubig para hindi mawawala yung bula. Nagdudulas eh.
O ano, nalagyan ko muna lang sa...
Pucha. Ay ka.
Margo! Magano ka na?
Tandaan ba kayo?
Ano ba? Ano ang mga pinasabi? Margo!
Ito, ano ba? Ilang tawag na.
Patayan kita ng wifi. Ang bini-bini.
Oh! Punta
Kaya
ka na.
na.
Punta ka.
Hindi ba kayo pising yan? Iba. Yung isang bag mo, hindi na matatahi eh.
Bakit daw?
Hindi na Kasi dulong-dulo daw yung ano, walang kakapitan. Dapat palitan daw ng buong sipit.
Pwede palitan.
Hindi sila nag-aano ng ganun eh. Sabi nila daw eh. Yan daw dalhin, sabi nila. Wala daw kakapitan pag tatahiin.
Margo! Mamaya na yan.
Higa na tayo eh. Higa na ako. What are you doing ba?
Go.
Hoy,